1948, the year in which a sports car legend was born, the 356. Its first victory just 2 weeks after it was delivered at a race in Innsbruck. The era of profound emotions had begun. And numerous other victories in short and long-distance racing were to follow. Even back then, it was crucial to focus on the essentials. 1963, the birth of the legendary 911 that shaped the history of all sports cars thanks to its distinctive, timeless design line. 1972, following the creation of the 911 sports car icon, the next milestone for Professor Ferdinand Alexander Porsche was setting up his own company, Porsche Design. The goal? Technically inspired products, far from the automotive world, but with the same requirements for aesthetics and function. The motto? If you analyze the function of an object, its form often becomes obvious. The best example of this was developed in the first year of operation, the Chronograph 1, the world's first matte black watch. Derived from race car cockpits, it guarantees optimum legibility. In short, evidence of intelligent transfer from the racetrack directly to your wrist. 2018. To this day, Inspiration Porsche can still be seen in all our timepieces. So what could be more obvious than celebrating 70 years of Porsche with a very special tribute, the 1919 Datetimer 70 Years Sports Car Limited Edition. The face, reminiscent of the dashboard of the legendary 356, just like the strap that alludes to the original color of its role model. The casing, made of titanium, as is typical of Porsche design. The glass, with 7-fold anti-glare properties on both sides. The dial, black, thereby guaranteeing optimum legibility. Is there any better way to celebrate an anniversary than with a special model? Porsche Design celebrates 70 years of Porsche.